Guys, so I'm gonna try to make my little bird dance. Come on, bird, dance. Dance. Oh, come on. Jared does this so well. Why can't I do it? Dance. Dance. Oh, my arm's in the video. Dance, little birdie, birdie, dance. Oh, failed to make the bird dance. Guys, you just did it a tiny bit. Here's the cat from the video I literally just uploaded from the mannequin challenge. The other one is over here. Hi, little kitten. You're so cute. Okay, look at how cute these kitties. Little cat. I have two more. Oh, no, that's not one of them. Emma, LL. Where are you guys? Probably upstairs. Guys, I see one. Kitten. Emma's. Emma the boy. Mr. Emma. The babies. Okay. Oh, it's fine. I think I know where she is. No, I don't. Oh, I definitely know where she is. Oh, okay, come on. Hey, look, guys, she's over here, under the bed, way over there. Ellie! Hello. Little braid. It's one of the Wakeman things. Ow. Ellie. Girl. I'm gonna pause and go over to 2 Willy Wishes and 1 doll. No, I don't know. These are my 2 Willy Wishes, but I have 6 more dolls. Alrighty, so guys, I'm going to clap, and then you are going to see Ellie Belly, Ellie Belly. Instead, I'm going to okay, I'm gonna get ready to pause the video so I can go over. No, you cannot even see her. Little Mr. Cute up here. Kitty. Emma, little kitten. Pet him, guys, pet him. Pet him, guys, pet him. Pet him. Yay, good job petting him. He's getting ugly. Noses. Yes, good job, Em. Look at his fur tail. His little fur tail. Fur kitten. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching another RC Nut video. I'm gonna end it out with a cat who is asleep, but I'm gonna grab a cat, start patting her. Yep, there is a little girl, Ellie, little Tabby. But thank you so much for watching another video called Cats. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below questions for a Q&A. I will answer them, but make sure they're not too personal. And please comment. I will try my best to reply as best as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye. So sorry guys, I just had to